Ka-Express, lumipad na patungong Amerika si Kevin Kiambao, ang UAP MVP at Gilas standout, para tahakin ang pinakamalaking hakbang ng kanyang career, ang paglapit sa NBA Dream. Ayon sa mga sources, hindi lang ito simpleng biyahe, kundi bahagi ng isang seryosong development plan. Scout insiders reveal that 5 NBA teams, Utah Jazz, Miami Heat, Sacramento Kings, Golden State Warriors, and Orlando Magic, are actively monitoring his progress, looking at Kevin not just as a local star, but as a legitimate international project. Sa kabilang banda, patuloy ang recovery ni Kai Sotto mula sa kanyang injury at wala pang confirmed NBA Summer League slot ngayong taon. For the first time, the spotlight is slowly shifting. Kevin's profile as 6'8" forward with playmaking ability, elite basketball IQ, and system fit mentality is being valued by NBA scouts in ways that contrast with Kai's traditional 7'3" center frame. Hindi ito labanan ng kiling, kundi labanan ng fit sa modern NBA. And Kevin might just be ticking more boxes today. Analysts point out that Kevin's silent yet calculated approach is catching attention. He is not viral, but he's respected. He's not loud, but he's moving. While Kai Sotto remains a symbol of Filipino height and hope, Kevin represents a new kind of prototype, a basketball mind molding for system-oriented basketball. Sa kasalukuyang trend ng liga, iyan ang hinahanap ng mga team, versatility, high IQ at humility and execution. Ka-Express, bago na namang usapin na gumugulo sa basketball community, hindi lang sa Pinas kundi sa buong mundo. At ang tanong, isang tanong na hindi natin akalaing darating ng ganito kabilis, si Kevin Kiambao na ba ang mauunang makapasok sa NBA kaysa kay Kai Sotto? Hindi ito hype lang, this is a serious discussion, backed by facts, scout whispers, and actual movements. Kevin Kiambao, ang 6'8" versatile forward na galing UAP at Gilas, Pilipinas, ay kumpirmado ng lumipad patungong US. At ayon sa mga sources na malapit sa kanyang kampo, hindi ito bakasyon, hindi ito simpleng exposure tour, ito ay bahagi ng isang tahimik pero seryosong kampanya para umangat sa radar ng NBA teams. At hindi lang basta umaasa, may mga teams na raw na nag-abang sa kanya. According to scouting insiders, 5 NBA teams are currently monitoring Kevin Kiambao's progress. Ilan sa mga ito ay matagal nang kilala sa pag-develop ng international talent. Kasama rito ang Utah Jazz, Miami Heat, Sacramento Kings, Golden State Warriors, and Orlando Magic. Lahat ng franchise na ito ay may history ng pagkuha ng mga under-the-radar players at paghulma sa kanila para maging NBA ready. At ang tanong ngayon, bakit si Kevin at bakit ngayon? Well, simply lang. Kevin Kiambao is a type of player that today's NBA secretly craves. Hindi flashy, hindi viral sa TikTok, pero matalino, disiplinado at system ready. He's a 6'8" playmaking forward with guard-like vision, Euro-style footwork, and defensive versatility. Sa madaling salita, he fits the mold of the modern NBA forward. Someone who can switch, pass, set screens and disrupt schemes. Ang ganitong klaseng player ay bihira, lalo na mula sa Southeast Asia. Kaya hindi na nakapagtataka kung bakit biglang may scout movement patungo sa kanya. At habang nangyayari ito, asan si Kai? Let's be fair, Kai remains the most internationally known Filipino basketball prospect. He played in the NBL, joined the NBA Summer League twice, and trained with top-tier coaches in the US. Pero sa ngayon, wala pa ring confirmed team, wala pa ring Summer League commitment ngayong taon, at higit sa lahat, galing siya sa injury at patuloy ang recovery phase. This creates a shocking shift in the narrative. For years, the entire nation believed Kai Sotto would be the first true homegrown Pinoy to enter the NBA. Pero ngayon, may bagong character na tahimik lang pero biglang umakyat. Kevin Kiambao is not just catching up, he may be overtaking, in silence, in steel, and with undeniable substance. Ang dami ng narating ni Kai, pero hindi rin biro ang resume ni Kevin. MVP sa UAP, national team contributor, champion mentality, and more than that, he's known for making his teammates better. That's a rare trait. Hindi siya scorer lang, hindi siya defensive stopper lang, he's a connector, and in the modern NBA, that's gold. Marami ang nagtatanong, may agent na ba siya? Sinong nagayos ng kanyang biyahe? May private workouts ba siyang sasalihan? Summer League spot? Sa ngayon, confidential ang lahat. Pero kung magbabasihan ang pattern, maraming Asian players ang dumadaan sa ganitong ruta, go to the US, enter closed-door workouts, and try to impress scouts in silence. At ayon sa source, may mga invite na raw si Kevin. Hindi ito haka-haka, may movement talaga. And now let's analyze the 5 teams mentioned. The Utah Jazz have been involved in Filipino talent before, through Jordan Clarkson and even previous Caio Soto's rumor. The Miami Heat are notorious for turning unknowns into stars. Think Gabe Vincent, Max Strus, even Duncan Robinson. Kung papasok si Kevin Cabao sa kanilang system, he could thrive as a high IQ role player, and the Sacramento Kings, they love versatile wings and to operate close to a huge community. The Golden State Warriors are the pinnacle of ball movement, IQ, and teamwork. KQ's passing ability would fit well in the G League system. And lastly, the Orlando Magic, they're building long, possession-less lineups. A 6'8 playmaker like Kevin fits that future. This begs the question, is Kevin Cabao the better NBA fit compared to Caio Soto? Clearly, it's not about who's better, it's about who fits. And right now, NBA teams are obsessed with fit. Hindi sapat ang taas, hindi sapat ang height. What they want are smart players who can adapt to system basketball, and Kevin Cabao represents that. Pero ka-Express, hindi natin pwedeng isulat off si Caio Soto. The story isn't over. He's still young, still 7'3", and still has time to re-enter the NBA radar. But the clock is ticking, at sa ilalim ng spotlight ng mga NBA scouts, minsan, timing is everything. This is why Kevin's quiet move to the US is such a big deal. It's happening now. Scouts love momentum, they love action, and they love players who take control of their own story. So, is this the beginning of a shift? Could Kevin Cabao be the first pure homegrown player to sign an NBA contract? Well, hindi natin masasabi, pero isang bagay ang malinaw. For the first time, the Caio Soto narrative is being challenged. The challenger isn't loud, he's not on every highlight reel, but he's respected and he's moving. Ka-Express, we are living in a new era of Philippine basketball, kung saan hindi lang iisa ang bida. This is not a rivalry, this is a revelation that maybe, just maybe, the NBA is ready for more than one type of Pinoy player. Maybe the league is ready for a basketball mind, not just a basketball body. And if that's true, then Kevin Cabao just might be the one who walks through the door first. At ito ang Express Info, kung saan bawat kwento ginulat ang mundo. Don't forget to like and subscribe.